Now I'm going to be putting the radiators together. I'll probably do one then won't bother recording the other one. And you don't need to see both of them we've done. These are also going to be sprayed aluminium. With probably a black wash over the actual grill. I do apologise if I do go off camera every now and then. I don't mean to. Working on the radiators. I've done these pipes. I've got to press record. Now I'm just attaching these tiny little bits here. I say tiny, they're quite big compared to other kits that I've done in the past. So everything in this kit is just big. And this is probably one of the smaller parts. So there you go. Okay, right, I'm just going to be doing a bit of dirtying up. I'm using the fresh mud. So basically what I want to try and simulate is wet mud effect. But also I'm going to be adding, so we'll just leave what I've had left over before. Chairs. Here they are in their finished state. Don't know if you can see that very well. Oh dear. As you can see, I've added both chairs now. It's looking pretty good. I'll take some pictures because the camera's probably not giving it very good justice. That's right, because we don't need to be working on that for a while. And that's right, I don't need to be working on that for a while. Here are the pictures. They're better than the pictures I did before. So yeah, we're pretty much at the end of this video. Please join me next time for some more of this build story. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section below because your feedback is vital. So yeah, bye.